Hey guys, Dan Lawton here at a job. Customer says that the toilet's running. We'll see what we can do. Alright guys, I'm here at the job. I don't know if you can hear, the toilet's running a little bit. Let's go take a look, see what's going on. Alright, it looks like the fill valve. We'll just need to replace the fill valve. Alright, I think I got one of those in the truck. Let's see what I got. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Yep, that should do. Let's go put her in. Alright, I'm back. Let's shut off the water to the toilet. Alright guys, I had to do that really quick because the shut-off valve wouldn't shut off all the way, but I got the new one in there, and I don't see any leaks, but it was leaking all over the place. I had to do it quick so I wouldn't get too much water on the floor, but it looks good to me. It's good enough for this neighborhood. Alright, let's do some housekeeping to keep all the ladies happy. Good enough.